So this is our 2-bedroom, 1-bath at 117 Union Street in Brewer. I believe there are only 2 units in the building, which make for nice quiet living. And it does sit on this dead-end street in Brewer here. Nice little neighborhood. And the owner recently renovated everything with all new hardwood floors, new appliances, brand new kitchen and bathroom. Really good shape still. Upon entering, you got the first bedroom here, which is a really good sized bedroom. Larger than most in 2-bedroom units in Bangor Brewer area. You could easily fit a king size bed in here. You got plenty of windows, let that natural light in. But couple places to hang your coats and jackets, store your shoes here. And then you got the living room, which is also really decently good size here. As you can see, it's already hooked up with cable. Just got to call and get your provider. And then off the living room, you've got the second bedroom, which is a little bit smaller. And you got that nice hardwood, nice big closet there. Some little built-in shelving there. And then you got a really good sized kitchen. It's got all up-to-date appliances. It's got the full stand-up fridge. It's got the double stainless sink with sprayer, dishwasher, electric range. Lots of cabinet space. You've got your own private porch here that goes out the back way. In the bathroom, you've got the full tub. And you also installed washer dryer hookups, which are key. So yeah, nice little apartment. If you're interested, you can call our office at 207-990-2271. Check us out on Facebook at Maine Real Estate Management LLC, or visit our website at leasebangor.com.